Imagine a factory that produces thousands of light bulbs every day. They know that about 2% of them will be defective. How can they predict the odds of finding exactly one faulty bulb in a sample of 20? This isn't just guesswork, it's a job for the binomial distribution. This powerful statistical tool works for any experiment that follows 4 simple rules. First, you need a fixed number of trials, like inspecting 20 bulbs. Second, each trial must have only 2 outcomes, success or failure, defective or not. Third, the probability of success must stay the same for every trial, like that consistent 2% defect rate. And finally, each trial must be independent. One bulb being faulty doesn't change the odds for the next. When these conditions are met, we can calculate the probability of a specific outcome. For that factory, the chance of finding exactly one defective bulb in a batch of 20 is about 27%. Or think about flipping a fair coin 5 times. What are the odds of getting exactly 3 heads? The binomial formula tells us it's just over 31%. It accounts for all the different ways that outcome could happen. But it's not just about single probabilities. The distribution also tells us what to expect on average. If you flip a coin 100 times, you would expect around 50 heads. The formula for this is simple, just the number of trials multiplied by the probability of success. It gives us a baseline, an enter in a sea of randomness. One crucial thing to remember, these outcomes are always whole numbers. You can't get 2.5 heads. From quality control and medical trials to simple yes or no surveys, the binomial distribution is fundamental. It provides a clear framework for understanding repeated experiments, allowing us to find predictable patterns in scenarios that seem random, and ultimately to make more informed decisions.